Hey everybody, I'm so excited because today I'm announcing the winners of my 2026 New Year's Challenge. And of course, you guys made it so difficult for me, just like every year. Now, this year's workout program was my Superman Remastered program, which is a 5-week program. We're gonna have a men's and women's grand prize winner who will each take home $10,000 in cash to do as they wish with, and they'll get a trip out here to Hollywood, California to hang and train with me. And then we'll have 2 runner-ups, both in the men and women's category as well, and they'll each win a $1,000 shopping spree, which is basically about a $250 shopping spree at 4 different retailers, including JYM Supplements Science. All right, are you guys ready to get into our winners? We'll start with the runner-ups. Women's runner-up, congratulations, goes to Audra Harrison. Now, Audra Harrison is 39 years old, and she owns All Heart Training, which is a youth athlete training program. So she knows a little bit about training, right? As she's a trainer herself. So obviously she was in fairly decent shape to start with, but she really dialed it in. So she used this challenge as a reset to sort of reset her discipline, and it paid off. Congratulations, Audra. All right, now let's get into the men's runner-up, Dennis Tudos. So kudos to Tudos for doing this. Now, you may have seen Dennis before in previous challenges. He's been a finalist in other challenges. He's 38 years old, and he used this challenge after a motorcycle accident to regain his strength and his mobility. So congratulations, Dennis. Looks like you not only got your strength and mobility back, but also your abs. Amazing job. All right, now let's get into our grand prize winners, and we'll start with the women's category. Our grand prize winner is Zineb Azza, and I'm saying your name correctly. If not, I hope you accept my $10,000 check as an apology. So amazing job. Zineb lost 19 pounds, guys, almost 20 pounds. And I'm gonna remind you, this was a 5-week challenge, okay? Each one of these transformations was done in 5 weeks. So well done. Now, she's a kindergarten teacher, so amazing work there. And she did this challenge to regain her health for her family. All right, now on to the men's grand prize winner. It's Kyle Harshbarger, who is U.S. Army Special Ops, and you know, it really makes me proud to be able to award one of our service members who are our real heroes. So let's not forget them. Amazing job, despite the service that you provide. And what Kyle did for this is he used this while he was prepping for a bodybuilding contest. And so, Kyle, you walked away with a grand prize here. I hope you win at least your weight class and the overall at your bodybuilding show. So, guys, do you want a transformation like this? Do you want to improve your health? Do you want to improve your physique? Do you want to improve your mindset and confidence? Well, the nice thing about these challenges is I dangle a little carrot in front of you with cash and prizes to keep you motivated and keep you pushing. So if you're ready, the next challenge will be my Summer Shred Challenge. You could register starting April 15th, and you have till May 15th to sign up and start and get the results that you saw here. If they can do it, so can you. All right, guys, thank you. Make sure you congratulate our winners and make sure you sign up for the Summer Shred Challenge. Thank you guys for always being Gym Army Strong.